Auzubillahiminashaitanirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is Bashir Ahmad Malik, teacher, Government High School, Nogam Zone, Mawar District, Kupwara. Dear students of class 9th, today, as you know, I have chosen a topic for you. We have already read about the first para of this topic, the tempest second. Till that we came to know that Prospero commanded Ariel that go and bring Ferdinand here, and when he returned with Ferdinand, the daughter of Prospero, Miranda, she at the first sight fell in love with Ferdinand, and now his father Prospero wanted to test the love of Ferdinand, and he told him, you have to went through a test. After that we will see in what happened in the next stanza. Prospero set him the tussock of piling up heavy logs. Now, what was the tussock which Prospero wanted to set for Ferdinand? The tussock was piling up of logs. So you have to collect the heavy logs. You have to collect the heavy logs. यानी आपको जो भारी लॉग्स हैं वो जमा करनी पड़ेंगी. लकड़ी के मोटे मोटे जो लॉग्स होते हैं वो आपको जमा करने पड़े. Miranda stole out of her room to see him work. Now Miranda was very much loving Ferdinand. She came out of her room. Steal out means came out of her room, went out of her room to see how her beloved Ferdinand is working, how he works, and her presence made his labor seem light to him. And when Ferdinand see him, and his presence, her presence before Ferdinand made his work so easier. Alas, sir, she said, please sit down and rest a little. Now, Miranda told Ferdinand that please sit down for some time and have a rest, please. I will carry out your logs in the meantime. And Miranda told Ferdinand that meanwhile she will work and he should take rest. Quite like it. Let me carry the logs. My father is at his studies safely out of our way for the next 3 hours. So the father is studying secretly books. He will be there for 3 hours, and there are 3 hours. So you should take rest. Meanwhile, she will work. In fact, Prospero was all the time standing at a distance. But Prospero was not studying. He was seeing this overall situation at a distance. In कुछ दूरी पर वो ये सारा मामला देख रहा था. Watching his daughter with amusement and sympathy. And he was watching his daughter, what she was doing with Ferdinand, how she is talking with Ferdinand. He was watching her with amusement, with astonishment. He was puzzled, and he was having still some sympathy for the both of the couple. No, my precious creature, replied Ferdinand. Now Ferdinand replied to Miranda. He answered Miranda that you are my precious creature, you are my valuable creature, I cannot let you do that, and he cannot let her to do that work. Of course, this did not help the work of piling of logs. So though they were talking with each other, the couple were talking with each other, this could not help them to this could not help Ferdinand to his work to pile up these logs, but Ferdinand managed to tell Miranda how he loved better than anyone else he had ever seen. But Ferdinand managed, but Ferdinand uh, wanted to tell Miranda that how he loved her better than anyone else he had ever seen. He had not the person whom he had seen, and he loved loved you more than these persons. He loved her more than anyone else in the world. As for Miranda, she could not imagine a person whom she could love more. But as far as Miranda is concerned, she is also loving her very much. She could not find any more person whom she can love more. Prospero decided now to try Ferdinand further. Now Prospero, after seeing this, he now decided that he should not make any he should not test him anymore. अब मुझे और टेस्ट इसको नहीं लेना चाहिए. And soon released him from his hard work. And he now released him from his work. Now he released him from his hard task. The trials you have undergone were a test of your love, said Prospero. Now Prospero told in a very calm way to Ferdinand that the trials you have undergone, the tests you have undergone, the tests you have undergone means go through an experience. The tests which you have performed, these were the tests for your love. या आपकी मोहब्बत के लिए मैंने टेस्ट किया आपको कि how you will take care of his daughter. To the great joy and surprise of Ferdinand. So Ferdinand was surprised and he was also joyed. He was also jubilant. He was also glad after knowing this. As your reward, I give you my daughter. Now as a reward, Prospero is giving his daughter to Ferdinand, who is most precious, who is the most valuable creature for Prospero. Means his daughter Miranda is his precious possession. इस सब से मुझे जो मेरी जो ज़िंदगी का है ज़िंदगी में का जो कीमती सरमाया है वो उसकी बेटी ही थी. My blessings are with you both. And he told Ferdinand that his blessings are with him, with both of them. In the meantime, the king of Naples, Antonio Gonzalo, who was in the king's party, and others were wandering about on the island. Meantime, the king of Naples, Antonio Gonzalo, who was in the king's party, Gonzalo, who was also in the king's party, they were wandering about in the land. They were moving here and there in search of Ferdinand, and tired out and hungry. They were tired out. They were fragile and hungry. They were also hungry. भूखे भी थे. They sat down to rest. They have sat down on the earth for rest. Ariel put inviting food before them. So Ariel put a very delicious food before them. Ariel ने कुछ लजीज खाने उनके सामने रखे. But when they tried to eat it, it disappeared suddenly. But when they tried to eat that food which Ariel has placed before them, the food disappeared suddenly. अचानक वो गुज़ा जो गायब हो जाता है. Disappear means गायब हो जाना. Vanished. इसका अपोजिट क्या आएगा? appear. Ariel appeared to them with thunder and lightning, and after that Ariel appeared before them with thunder and lightning, गरजने और चमकने की lightning और रोशनी के सूरत में वो उनके सामने फिर नमूदार हुआ. While they stood amazed at the sight. Now, when they saw Ariel with thunder and light, they were amazed, they were surprised, they were astonished, they were puzzled. He said to Antonio, and Ariel said to Antonio, the king of Naples, you are two men guilty before God and man. Hey, you two persons means Antonio and the king of Naples, you are the guilty persons. You are the guilty persons. आप तो गुनहगार आदमी हैं. Before man and God, you are the guilty not only before God but also before this man also. Think of your evil deeds. Now think. You may be remembering the evil deeds which you have done. आप वो बुरे काम आपको याद आए होंगे. Remember how cruelly you treated Prospero and his innocent child. Remember that day when you treated Prospero and his innocent girl cruelly. जालिमाना तौर पर जब आपने उसके साथ वो बर्ताव किया था. And you put him in a damaged ship so that he will drown in the sea. वो दिन याद करो. It was a terrible crime. ये एक बहुत बड़ा जुर्म था. It was a terrible crime. All that you have undergone is God's punishment for your crimes. Now, the situation which you are facing now, it is the punishment of God for you. ये खुदा का आपको सज़ा है. ये खुदा की सज़ा है आपको. आपके कर्मों की सज़ा आपको मिल रही है. If you do not sincerely repent, if you do not repent means feel sorry. If you do not repent, अगर आप तौबा नहीं करोगे, if you don't feel sorry of your evil deeds, अगर आप अपने बुरे कामों से तौबा नहीं करोगे, there is worse in store for you. God has a worst situation for you in his store. Then Ariel disappeared in thunder and lightning, and after telling these words, Ariel once again disappeared with lightning and thunder, leaving them almost made. Now, after listening these words, and both of them, the king and the Antonio, they became made. वो पागल जैसे हो गए with fear, खौफ से, and their sense of guilt. और जो उनको अपनी वो guilty sense जो है याद आ गया. अपना वो गुनाह याद आ गया. And they were feeling helpless. They were feeling helpless. दोनों जो हैं वो अपने आप को helpless तस्वर कर रहे थे. So this was the second sentence in which you find that Prospero tested Ferdinand. He has given him the task of piling up of heavy logs, and later on he told him that now you have completed your test. Now he is giving him the reward. He is giving him reward. And what was the reward? The reward was he is giving him his daughter. His daughter was a precious creature for Prospero. Later, Ariel went to that place where the king and the Antonio they were sitting at the corner of the sea. They were wandering here and there, and now Ariel appeared before them with thunder and lightning, and reminding him of their guilt which they have done with Prospero and his innocent daughter. Later he reminded him that how you have cruelly put Ariel and Prospero and his innocent daughter in a damaged ship, and you are the guilty not only before the God but before the man also. So if you will not repent, if you will not sorry that God is the worst situation for you, God has the worst to do with you. And after that he left them both. They were made with fear and distrust. and they were still thinking how they have how they are feeling now helpless. Tomorrow inshallah we will see what happened in the third stanza. So here are some words, you can find the meaning of these words. So I think this is sufficient for today. Have a nice day. Thank you.